Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at a beard oil. A fruity, great beard oil. So stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, aka the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, if this is your first time on my channel and you enjoy beard product reviews, hiking videos, gear reviews, you've come to the right place. Take the first step, click that subscribe button right there, and make sure to click that bell so you're notified when I drop new content. All right, so let's jump into this. New company, or newer company out there, Wild Dog Beard Co. That's what we're going to be taking a look at today. Now, I picked up this bottle. I've had it for a little while, but this one is Texas Peach. It comes in a cobalt blue glass bottle with a dropper top, and Wild Dog Beard is based out of Texas, and they've got some really unique scents and some fruity scents and some really good sounding scents. Now this is the only one that I've tried, and I bought this oil just to give it a good test. Owner is really cool. Chatted with him on Instagram a little bit before I made my purchase, and he actually threw in a small, I didn't bring it out here, a small cube of pine tar soap. That pine tar soap, that's not what we're reviewing today, but I'll go ahead and talk about it. Pine tar soap, it does a really good job. It stripped my beard down super clean and smells really good. He sent a little square of it to test out, and it was really good. I know a couple other guys have done reviews. They also got that, and all they could say was good stuff about it. So definitely check out his pine tar soap. All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at Texas Peach beard oil. Like I said, it comes in a cobalt blue glass bottle with a dropper top, and it is a clear oil, kind of on the lighter side. And we'll start from this side. It's got directions with their website. Over here it's got their logo. Over here you got ingredients with their social media. So the ingredients on this is avocado oil, grapefruit seed oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, aloe vera oil, and wild oil blends. It contains tree nut oils, so keep that in mind if you have any allergies. Straight out of bottle. And you can see I'm down to the label. I've been using this stuff. That is sweet peach. I know Georgia, we're known for our peaches. I guess Texas is known for some peaches too, but that is just a sweet peach. It smells so good. Now let's get a little bit in hand and get it heated up. And their label is an oil and water resistant label. Let's get a little bit in hand. A couple drops, don't want to waste any. Get that heated up. And that peach just pops. It wants to come off your hand and slap you one time. But that smells so good. And that's all it is peach. And I don't get anything else other than peach, and I get a sweet peach, and it's really good. Now I'm sweating. If any of you were confused as if I had a green screen behind me, I promise you, if you'll look for sweat marks on my shirt and on my head, we are not on a green screen. We are not in the air conditioning. We are outside in a hammock, true to form. So a little bit of sweat, rub that on my arms, and I still have a little bit on my hand, but not much. And we're good. So this scent lasted in beard 5 to 6 hours really well. Now I would find myself coming home, like I do with a lot of oils, coming home from work, putting a little bit more in just to kind of give it a little bit of a boost so I could still smell that. Now I only got this in the oil, so I didn't have that balm to kind of push it for a couple extra hours, so I would come home and apply it. Now oil by itself did really good hydrating my beard. It absorbed it really well. It did really good in beard. So Definitely, I'm really curious to check out some of their other scents. If they're as good as this one, then they're gonna blow everything out of the water. But Wild Dog Beard, Texas Peach. All right, so pricing on their website is $13.99, which is a little bit below market average, which is a really good price. Now they have a couple of their scents. They do have them on Amazon, but I purchased mine straight from Wild Dog, and I think occasionally they'll throw some promo codes out there, throw some discount codes out there that you can get and get a little bit of savings on that. So follow their Instagram, definitely get over and give them a look, check them out. They are on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So Wild Dog Beard Co. All right, guys, well, that is it for today. Make sure to check out Wild Dog Beard Co. Let them know that the Bearded Outdoorsman sent you. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.